Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we would like to discuss about the function strtok, or tokenizing a string function. So as you can see that this function returns a pointer as a return value, and it will take two strings as pointers, and you can see that we have this string 1 and string 2. So basically this function string token breaks a string into a series of tokens, also called tokenizing the string. A token is a sequence of characters separated by delimiters, such as spaces or punctuation marks. A delimiter can be any character that you want to select, and you can change the delimiter string in each function call. And this function modifies the input string by placing the terminating null at the end of each token. So copy the string if you want to intend to use it after the call to this function. You can see that we have defined a string here in the main function. This is a sentence with 7 tokens. And now we want to tokenize this string, and we want to print each one of these tokens. So how we can do that is to give the function the string that we want to tokenize and also the delimiter, which the delimiter for us in this example is space. So basically this function will start from the beginning of this string. It will go through each one of these characters, and whenever it finds this delimiter, which is space, it will replace this space with a terminating null character and will return the pointer to the first part of this sentence. And then we are going to print that part, and once again it will continue. Since this part is a terminating null character, it will start from this character. It will search for space. I is not a space, is not a space, and then we have a space in here. Now this is going to be replaced with a space, and the pointer for the location of I is going to be returned by this function. And basically this is how it's going to go over all of these parts of this sentence. And you can see that we are checking that if the function cannot find the delimiter, it is going to return a null. And by the time it returns a null, that means that our sentence has finished and we can terminate the while loop. Now let's go and run this program so you can see how this function works. Let's go and see. You can see that the string that is going to be tokenized is this string, which is a sentence with 7 tokens, and the tokens are this is a sentence with 7 tokens. Basically each one of these words has been separated by a space, which is our delimiter in here, and that's how we have tokenized this sentence into 7 tokens. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.